that's like a brain freezer or just straight to the point. Firstly, you really need to define what is the new customer experience you are trying to build on this new time. You want to build a customer experience, write down, sit down with your executive team and define what's the customer experience you want to build for this retail business. Next steps will be is to drill down and communicate very clearly what is the new customer experience you want to develop for your clients to the all over the organizations. Organize different kind of offline or online. Currently, we're with COVID, you're gonna do online. So you have to take different kind of videos you can produce to send it to all staffs, and you can tell them to watch it. And not only that, you can actually create a small assessment to make sure that everybody really watch your video too. And what's really important is this one. You need to really communicate to all people. You really need to get them buy-in to really understand what kind of new customer experience. If the customer experience has not been built, you will not be able to get the right customer acquisitions, then revenue will hit. Then you have to drop the operational costs. So that means you have to let people go. Put it on the table, be very clear, and let your team know that why you're really doing it. Then they will really buy in and they will support you. And there will be some people who will not support you or they will not care about you, and you know to who you should replace. And this is a good thing for you. And the second thing is about, you really need to understand and build a new customer experience team as well too, who will be specialized champion team. They will be really owning each of the piece and bytes of your new customer experience you are trying to build for your customers. As a CEO or marketing director, you will not be able to do it all the time, right? So you need to create a new champion team who will promote it all the time and make it happen.
I have something to complement also. Customer experience not necessarily is a sophisticated, expensive thing. I give one very clear example. There is nothing worse to a customer if they do not easily can communicate with our company. Which means something very basic like reach the salesperson, the marketing person that supports them when they need makes a huge difference. Just think about our experience as a consumers when we want to, for instance, change a fly in a company. It's a nightmare if you don't have really access to email or the phone number. So they block your access to communication. There is nothing worse than that.